Hello, in this video we're going to be discussing how to submit a STORM file through the IMS website. Now, in our previous video we submitted our reserve, changing the status of that claim to inspected. Now in this video we're going to change that status from inspected to in review. Now there are two things that you're going to need in order to submit a file to the IMS website, and that's going to be a stacked document, and that's going to be the complete claim file, and then you're also going to need an ESX from Xactimate. Now, as you know, I create claim folders for each claim and save them on my desktop. That's where I store all documents associated with this claim. Now, if you refer to my previous video on stacking documents, you'll remember that I have a stacked document here that I've already created. If you haven't watched that video, please go back and watch it prior to watching this video. You'll also remember that I saved the narrative as a Word doc in this folder as well. Now, both of these are going to be important moving forward, and I'm going to jump right in. Now, we're going to go to the claim in Xactimate, open it. You're going to click the print button. You're going to hit the Documents tab, and then you're going to go to Attach Documents. Now, in this area, I need two documents. One is going to be the narrative in a Word doc and all supporting documentation. And that's going to be your external supporting documentation. Water extraction, TARP invoices, tree invoices. So, you're going to hit Import. You're going to search for that claim folder. And the first that I'm going to import is the first and final. That's our narrative. Click Open. And that's going to bring that document into your ESX file. Now, the second is a stacked document. Now, I want to kind of impress upon you that this is different than the stacked document that we previously created. This is not the complete file. This is only your external supporting documentation. So I've taken the liberty of stacking this document before the video, and if we import, we're going to go down and see supporting documentation. Now this stacked document includes the contractor's estimate, the water extraction invoice, tree removal invoice, and TARP invoice. Now, the order of these documents is going to be the same order in which they're listed in your narrative report under enclosures. So, I'm going to click supporting documentation, click Open, and those are the two documents I need. I need one Word doc and one PDF. Okay? I'm going to close, save and exit, and all you have to do is click on it, drag it, and drop it into your claim folder. If you open your claim folder, you're going to find this ESX. Now, we're going to need to rename this ESX. So, the name of the ESX is simply going to be the IMS file number, .ESX. So, at this point, we're ready to submit our file through the IMS website. I'm going to go ahead and minimize Xactimate, and I'm going to bring up the IMS website. Now, again, if you remember, the status of this claim is currently inspected. So I'm going to go ahead and click the number next to the inspected status, and you're going to see our claim here. It's TestCat 200004561. Go ahead and click that. And at the top, you're going to see Upload Report. Click that next. It's going to ask you what report type. Now you're going to go to the drop down. This example is a final report. Now, if it was kicked back to you for revision, you would be resubmitting a revised final or a revised status. If you couldn't finalize your claim and you just want to submit a first report, that's going to be a status report. So we'll go ahead and click Final. And this is where both of those documents are required. So all you have to do is drag and drop those documents into the appropriate box. This is our stacked PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the stacked PDF, drag it over, and drop it. And you can see it took right there. Next is the ESX. I'm going to do the same. And I'm going to hit Save. Now, you just submitted your file to the IMS website, and you can see that the status changed from inspected to in review. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions, please reach out to your manager and they'll be happy to help you. Thank you.